Yuri teacher time, and welcome back to my class again. We are going back to the second semester, the fall semester. Are you guys ready? Yes? Yes or no? Robert, are you ready? Bud, are you ready? All the boys, World, Leo, and Noah, are you guys ready to go back to our normal class? Yes? Alright, so let's all the long I words together with your teacher. Are you ready? Alright, so this whole week we learn all the long I words in the class, right? With Sarah teacher and your teacher? Yes? So everybody, what is this? Boys, are you listening or watching your teacher or not? So everybody focus. So everybody, what is this? This is long I sounds words. Okay, Robert, are you listening? This is right? And what about this? This is I'd. And this is ein, right? So let's go over all the words with picture first, okay? Focus. Leo, Noah, World, are you watching? Good. Okay, so everybody, what is this? This is vine, vine. And this is pine, pine. And this is nine. What is this? What is this? Bike, right? It's ride or bike? Maybe this is right. Yes, this is ride, not a bike. He's riding a bike, right? I'd ride. And this is side. You know what side is, right? This is the front and this is the side. Okay? Side. And this is hide. And this is a hike. And this is bike. Bike. And this is like. Bud, do you like your teacher? Yes or no? World, do you like your teacher? Oh, Leo loves your teacher. Leo always says, oh, your teacher, I love your teacher all the time, right, Leo? Yes? And Bud too. And this is like. I like Bud. I like Leo too. Okay? Like. And everybody, let's go over with the words together right now, okay? Your teacher's gonna see if you can read the words, say the words after your teacher is finished, okay? So everybody, what is this? This is Robert. Are you listening? This is I'd, right? I'd ride. What about this one? I'd side. And this is I'd hide. And this is bike. And this is a hike. And this is like. And this is easy, right? Ein, pine. And this is vine. The last one. Nine. Got it? Was it easy or hard? Was it easy? Yes? I think so too. You can read all the words, right, Robert? But, okay, so your teacher is gonna give you the writing dictation homework parts right now. Are you guys ready? So everybody, you have to prepare all the paper that your teacher gave, and you need pencil right now. And listen, write it down, okay? Listen, look at the picture. You can look at the picture and write it down on your paper right now, okay? All right, so let's do the writing homework. Your teacher's gonna organize the cards first. Ready, guys? Your teacher's gonna mix all the cards, okay? Your teacher's gonna mix all the cards together. Mix. Let's mix the cards. All right, so are you guys ready? Put it right here. All right, so I'm going to pick 6 cards, and then give you number 1 through 6, okay? Number 1. Pine. Number 1, pine. Number 2, like. Got it, Robert? But this is a bike. Bike. This is number 4, right? Number 4, Noah. Number 4, hike. Number 5, nine. And this is ride. Got it. Everybody done? All right, so everybody, if you're finished, gather all your paper homework and put it in the file and bring it to your teacher on Monday. Not on Monday. We don't have class on Monday. No class because it's a national holiday in Korea. So bring it to your teacher on Tuesday. Okay? Noah, are you done with the writing homework part? Robert, was it easy or hard? Bud, you finished? World, Leo, bring all the homework on Tuesday. Alrighty, guys? Alright, so have a little bit long vacation with your mommy and daddy, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Alright, boys? Alright, so have a safe weekend. Your teacher is gone. Going.